Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to replace the horn on Opel Astra J. The horn on this car is under the left headlight, so in order to get to the horn we need to remove the front bumper on one side so that we can get access to the bolts on the headlight and remove the headlight. We'll remove first the bolts on top of the bumper. If the video is useful, please like and subscribe. Next, we'll remove the bolts for the mudguard. Now that we've removed those bolts, we just need to pull out the bumper to come out. There is another bolt holding the bumper on the left side, and the bolt is just there. We need to remove that, and then we can remove the bumper on this side of the car. And now the bumper on this side is free. Next, we need to remove the headlight. The headlight is here. I've already removed 3 of the bolts. I'm gonna show you where the 4th one is, and then I'm gonna show you the location of all 4 bolts. The 4th bolt, which is very hidden, is just there. That's the bolt that I needed to remove the bumper for. And now I'll show you where exactly the 4 bolts are. One of them is there, the other bolt is just there, and there is 2 bolts here underneath. Just there is one, and the other one is the most hidden one, just down there. You also need to remove from this plastic the headlight, and now you can take out the headlight. Now in order to remove the headlight, we only need to disconnect the connector. Now that the headlight is removed, we have access to the horn. The horn is held by one nut that we need to remove and one connector. Okay, now there's the old horn out. Next to put on the new horn and assemble everything in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.